a type of beer. The birthplace of pandas is China. And most pandas in the world live in China. The main food of pandas is bamboo, and they love to eat bamboo. Don't forget to subscribe. Cute body shape of pandas and their beautiful black and white color have made everyone love pandas. Of course, pandas are known for being very lazy. When you go to the zoo, you can see the cute laziness and tiredness of the pandas. Well, finally, the most famous panda in the world. Yes, Kung Fu Panda.